Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emma and Jake English.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, this is a very useful lesson for beginners.
So, if you are new to English, don't worry.
We will use simple words, short sentences, and easy examples.
Just relax, listen, and learn with us.
Let's begin.
First, let's talk about self-introduction.
A self-introduction is a simple way to tell people about yourself.
Yes, you can tell people your name, your age, where you are from, where you live, your job, and what you like.
You do not need difficult English,
Simple English is enough.
and that is very good for beginners.
Small and simple is the best way to start.
Now I will introduce myself. Hello. My name is Emma. I am 24 years old. I am from the United States of America. I live in Boston. I work as an English host. I like coffee, music, and learning new things. Nice to meet you.
That was very clear and very simple.
Yes. That is a good self-introduction for beginners.
Now, it's my turn. Hi. My name is Jake. I am 26 years old. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. I work in an office. I like reading, walking, and talking with friends. Nice to meet you too.
Very good. That was simple, natural, and easy to understand. Now let's look at the structure.
A simple self-introduction can have 6 parts.
Part 1, your name.
Part 2, your age.
Part 3, where you are from.
Part 4, where you live.
Part 5, your job.
Part 6, what you like.
You can use all 6 parts.
Or you can use only 3 or 4 parts.
That is okay too.
You do not need to say everything at once.
Let's start with your name. You can say, my name is Emma.
My name is Jake.
You can also say, I am Emma.
Both are correct. Both are simple.
For beginners, my name is very useful.
Yes, it sounds clear and natural.
My name is Emma.
My name is Jake. Now let's talk about age. You can say, I am 26 years old.
You can say, I am 24 years old.
You can also say, I am 26.
Yes, that is common in everyday English.
So you have 2 easy choices.
I am 24 years old.
I am 26 years old.
I am 24.
I am 26.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. This means your country or your home place.
I am from the United States of America.
This is a very useful sentence.
I am from the United States of America.
I am from Canada.
I am from Mexico.
I am from Korea.
Very simple.
And very useful. Where do you live?
I live in Boston.
I live in Toronto.
Use this sentence to talk about your city or town.
I live in New York.
I live in London.
I live in Ho Chi Minh City.
So you can say where you live very easily.
Yes, just use I live in.
Now let's talk about work. I work as an English host.
I work in an office.
You can also say, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver. I am a nurse.
These are short and easy job sentences.
Keep it simple.
Simple is good. Now let's talk about what you like. I like reading and walking.
I like coffee and music.
This part makes your introduction more personal.
Yes, it helps people know you better.
I like movies.
I like cooking.
I like sports.
I like books.
Very easy.
Very natural. Now, let's start. Hi. My name is Emma. What is your name?
Hi, Emma. My name is Jake.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. How about you?
I am from the United States of America.
Where do you live?
I live in Boston.
What do you do?
I work as an English host.
That's nice.
Thank you.
And what do you like?
I like coffee and music.
That's great.
It's my turn now. Hello, my name is Jake.
Hello, Jake. I am Emma.
I am 26 years old.
I am 24 years old.
I live in Toronto.
I live in Boston.
I work in an office.
I work as an English host.
I like reading.
I like music and coffee.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States of America.
That's nice.
Now, let's talk about a few simple mistakes.
Do not make your sentence too long.
Do not worry too much about perfect grammar at the beginning.
And do not speak too fast.
Clear English is better than fast English.
Yes, small and simple is the best way to start.
You do not need perfect English.
You just need clear English.
Very good. Now, repeat after us. My name is Emma.
My name is Jake.
I am from the United States of America.
I am from Canada.
I live in Boston.
I live in Toronto.
I work as an English host.
I work in an office.
I like coffee and music.
I like reading and walking.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Great job today.
Today, we learned how to introduce yourself in English.
We learned how to talk about your name, your age, where you are from, where you live, your job, and what you like.
Practice these sentences again and again.
Simple English can help you speak with confidence.
Step by step, you will get better.
Keep listening. Keep smiling. And keep learning English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
See you again next time with Emma and Jake.